Hello, good morning. This is a beautiful Tuesday morning. Tuesdays in Enugu are like the beginning of the week for us here because from the weekend we go into the sit-at-home Mondays, and so Tuesdays are like Mondays, like the beginning of the week. And it's a busy Monday today, in a busy Tuesday rather, today in Enugu, and I am heading from Okpara Avenue through tunnel. This is the Ebeano tunnel. Fidelity Estates. I'm heading to Independence Layout, somewhere around Federal High Court. That's around where I'm going to. I thought to just bring you along on my trip. I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, we're going to Independence Layout by Federal High Court, just close to WAEC, through from Okpara Avenue through Ebeano tunnel. This is Oakland. This is Oakland, and for some reason the traffic today seems mild compared to most other Tuesdays. Most other Tuesdays the traffic used to be quite heavy, but for some reason today the traffic seems a little bit mild. This is Old Artisan. The market is somewhere there. This place is called Railway Quarters, and this is Ogui Road. So we turned right to Ogui Road. This is Railway Quarters. Some strong potholes. This is Njenje Junction, Njenje bus stop, because that's Njenje Road. I think this whole place is called Ogui Enugu. This is Ogui Road. So this whole place is called Ogui Enugu. These are the old Ogui houses, old railway quarters, and Oloko. This is Oloko Gates. This is Oloko Gates. I don't even know why they call this Oloko Gates. Yeah, but that's Oloko Gates. So let's pass through Lagos Street. This is Dayspring bus stop. Let's pass through Lagos Street so that we can avoid presidential road traffic. Let's avoid presidential road traffic. This is Dayspring bus stop. This used to be Owando. I'm surprised it's now NNPC. Wow, it's now NNPC. It used to be Owando. We are on Lagos Street. This is Lagos Street. For some reason, the environment seems calm today. Most Tuesdays are usually quite very rowdy because of the long weekend. This area is we have some very old houses around here. Seem like the natives here, like you can see all the red roofs, brown roofs rather. It seems like the natives here. Of course, these are people's villages. Like, see this brown, very old houses. It seems like they are not willing to sell off, or at least to renovate, because I'm sure there are people willing to buy some of these very old buildings. You can see along Lagos Street. For some reason, this street has one of the most, old buildings within this Enugu. Some big pothole here. Avoid it a bit as we continue up Lagos Street. through Lagos Street, we're going to connect Independence Layout. The contrast between Lagos Street and Independence Layout is quite big. I really do not know why. So welcome back to my channel. If you like this type of videos, please hit the like button. If you're new on this channel, please subscribe to our channel so that you can, see more of these videos whenever we bring them up. And if you are returning, thank you for always being here. If you're a returning subscriber, this is ngwo for Ruzo Street, I think. This road goes straight to Parks and Jakes, but we're going to take right here, straight to Parks and Jakes, Bisala Road. But we're going to take right and connect WAEC and the rest. We just cut off Okono and most of Presidential Road. That's downtown Presidential. We're going to connect through. We're going to reconnect at Presidential Road, Presidential Junction, and this is Igboeze Street. Igboeze Street. And used to be extreme. Straight down this road goes to Roban. Alesikweme house too is there on this road. This Naija Foundation, Urban Radio is here too. St. Patrick's Hospital has moved to this place as well. If you know St. Patrick's Hospital, they are here now. Naija Foundation is on the other side of the road. Then Urban Radio is here at Okpara Street. Urban Radio is here at Okpara Street. Yeah, there are some serious potholes right now in Enugu. Hopefully the next government does better and give us smoother roads like the former government did. So we're connecting Presidential Road. Hotel Sunshine, which is the hotel right in front of me, is one of the tallest hotels in Enugu. Look at it there, Hotel Sunshine. It's one of the tallest, if not the tallest, with a lift and everything. Really a good hotel, as a matter of fact. So this is Presidential Road, and we're just going to turn. This is Proda Junction. This is the defunct Presidential Hotel. Straight down, this is Independence. We're connecting Independence Layout. This is Rangers Avenue. I guess you're liking this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, so you get to see more of these videos. This is Roots, there is Spa, that's Enugu Mall. Enugu Mall is right there. Okpara Square is right there. Somewhere here. This is like City Central, where we have the legislature, the executive and the judiciary arms of government in Enugu. There's the customary courts, judiciary, house of, we just passed Enugu House of Assembly. We're heading to WAEC Junction. This is WAEC Junction. There's a new road there. I think I'll drive it one of these days anyways. So this is WAEC Junction. Let's go towards the courts road. Like you can see, this is the judiciary arm of. This is where most of the judiciary offices are in Enugu. This is WAEC office. You can see it there. WAEC. That's WAEC office, West African Examination Council. This is High Court. It's High Court. This is the base. The base is an event center. There's a building that looks like a hotel coming up there. This is Industrial Court, National Industrial Court. This is Court of Appeal. Court of Appeal is here. Court of Appeal is right there. Customary Court is somewhere here too. Past Customary Court, okay. So we're heading towards High Court. That first one's this is High Court. High Court. Yeah, so we've come to the end of the video. I've gotten to my destination. Enjoy a fantastic day. So this is afternoon on today, Tuesday, and I'm parked right in front of EDC building. That's EDC building there, and this other big building that houses the revenue house, I think. And this is Okpara venue. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you enjoyed following me from Okpara venue down to Independence Layout. I'm back to Okpara venue, and I decided to end the video right here. I trust you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel so that you can see more of this type of videos, and let me know if you enjoyed it and if I should do more of it. I look forward to hearing from you. Enjoy a fantastic day. Bye for now.